Welcome to TechSolveZ. Are you getting this message? This unlicensed app will be disabled soon in your all Adobe software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Lightroom or Acrobat. Don't worry, in this tutorial I will show you the step-by-step solution to fix this problem and continue using your Adobe apps without interruption. Just in your search button type firewall Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, just click firewall Windows security. Firewall network protection for Windows security, firewall and network protection, advanced settings, yes, and I already made Adobe Illustrator and After Effects rules for disable. Just click in the right side, new rule for Adobe Photoshop. The same process for all Adobe software like Illustrator, After Effects, Acrobat. Programs. Next, this program part. See, program files, Adobe. If you want to disable After Effects, just click here from After Effects. If you want to disable Illustrator 2020, like click here. I want disable Adobe Photoshop 2025. Just click this icon Photoshop, open, and next block the connection. Next click domain private public all. Next the name connection 2025. Finish. The inbound rule done. Outbound rule, the same process, new rule. Program, next the program path. If you want Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, Photoshop, scroll down, Photoshop icon, open. Next block the connection, all domain private and public. Photoshop 2025. And that's it. Inbound rules are done and outbound rule also done. The same process all Adobe software. Photoshop, close. After that running restart. That's it. You have successfully disabled Adobe Genuine Services Safety on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comments and subscribe for more PC and Adobe tutorials.